Hi, I'm Mike Butler. We're here to show you how the SkyTrain works in Vancouver. That's 5 minutes from the plane to the LRT. 5 minutes. The City of Champions deserves a winning transit system.
As a student who actually is from Alberta, I think the SkyTrain is a really good system because I can just walk 2 blocks from my house and take it straight to the airport without having to pay for a cab.
The City of Champions deserves a winning system, just like this. You want a car?
My family does, but I don't use it very often.
You don't need it then.
No, I don't need a car to get around in Vancouver, and I can get to work really easily with the buses and the SkyTrain. So the SkyTrain's really handy. It goes pretty fast. It goes faster than a car. So.
We're here at the Low Heat Town Center location where they're building a 97B line. They believe in the SkyTrain still, and we should too. Before here is just kind of your comments on the SkyTrain and what you think about it here.
You know, I feel the SkyTrain's a great thing for the students around the campus. They're putting a new line in which connects from Coquitlam all the way down to the Low Heat station, and I think that's a great thing for us students because gas is going to start rising up here pretty soon, and I just feel like that's a good thing.
So do you own a car at all or no?
I have a car.
Yeah.
I have a 2015 Mazda 3.
And you still think the SkyTrain's a good thing?
Once in a while, sure. If I'm drinking, I'm not going to drive home. I'm going to take the SkyTrain, absolutely.
Amazing. Yeah. Well, see, that's what we're trying to do here, is trying to make sure that everyone...
Mike, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Mike, what are your thoughts on the SkyTrain?
You know, I wish Edmonton had it. You know, that's why we're here. We came here to make sure that we can show how good it works and how good traffic flows. People with cars can get to work and go home and to school.
Yes, sir.
Not be interrupted by the LRT or the SkyTrain, LRT in Edmonton. And we want to make sure that it's important that people that don't have cars can get around efficiently as well.
So you're pro SkyTrain.
100%.
You guys are promoting the SkyTrain, and
Yes,
I
sir.
think that is a good thing.
Great. That's why we're here. We want to show that it works, and people that use it love it. So thank you very much. We just had a meeting here at TransLink with the Vice President of Communications, putting us on the right track to have an integrated system for Edmonton, for you. What do you guys think about your SkyTrain here? Do you use it, and do you like it?
Yeah, we use it quite often. It's probably the most efficient form of transport around Vancouver. But we would appreciate if it came on more regular intervals.
Yep.
But otherwise, we can't complain. It's great.
Amazing. And any other comments?
And it's like very convenient, just like he said. We could like go to like supermarkets and stuff to like very easily. We just have to take the bus, then the SkyTrain.
Amazing. And
extremely clean also. And super fast actually. You can get around anywhere really quick.
amazing.
Yeah.
And so if you were to tell anyone in Edmonton any advice, is there anything you guys would say to them?
Take the SkyTrain. Take the SkyTrain. Use the SkyTrain. That's what I'd say. Use the SkyTrain.
Amazing.
Right.
Okay, thank you very much,
Thank you
guys.
so much. Thank you
Yeah,
so
I really
much.
appreciate your support.
Thank
All
you.
right.
And your help.
All right. Thanks so much.
And yeah, check my website. We'll get you guys up on it. This is a great example of how we want the traffic to flow in Edmonton with the SkyTrain in place.
Yeah.
I mean, so essentially, if you were to say they were to build it somewhere else, what would you say?
Yeah, I think all over Canada should have the same transit laws as Vancouver, just because